For today's daily vlog, may nakilala kami ng mga bagong kaibigan dito sa Amerika at inanyayahan kami ni Jan na pumunta sa kanilang mansyon at nagulat ako guys sa kanilang hasyenda. Mayroon silang maraming puno ng mangga. Nagdala na rin pala ako guys ng mangga dahil nag-message siya sa akin. Gusto niya daw matikman ang aming mangga kahit isa lang. Na-curious talaga ako guys kasi sabi niya sa akin kakaiba daw ang lasa ng kanilang mangga. May lasang pagkabayabas daw. Kaya doon ako nainganyo kasi never pa akong nakatry ng mangga na kalasa ang bayabas. Kaya tutok lang kayo sa vlog natin guys ha. Paki-like na rin ang video natin, paki-share at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, gawin mo na rin. Hey guys! Happy Sunday everyone! In today's vlog ay magha-harvest ako ng mangga dahil magha-harvest kami ng mangga ngayon sa isa sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Amerika. Meron siya near 17 trees.
Wow!
And different kinds of mango, different variety. And she wants to try also our mango. So, sabi niya kasi kahit isa lang daw eh. Hala, look at this darling oh. You want this or that one?
Of course, the bigger one.
Which is bigger, this one?
Yeah?
Okay. Ganito kalalaki ang mangga namin dito guys. Oh, dali dear. Come
Hey.
closer, darling.
I've got socks on.
Okay. Ayan, oh yan oh. Ganito kalalaki. Look ka. Ay, this is the biggest so far, darling. And this is premium mango here in Florida. Magugulat kayo mamaya sa pupuntahan natin na bahay guys.
It's crying, look.
Oh no, she's crying. Ay, de. Dear, tell me, this is not yet the biggest, right?
That's not the biggest.
This is not the biggest. May ilalaki pa ito, guys. Tignan ninyo. Kiluhin natin, dear. Let's try to weigh it. Ka-message ko siya actually kanina, guys. At ang sabi niya, punta ka dito kung gusto mo ng ibang variety ng mango. Hala, dear. I'm very happy for our mango.
I say it's 2 pounds.
Palagi talaga naming pinagpipray guys na sana maging okay yung mga bunga ng mangga. Ilang season na kasi ang nagdaan guys na maraming mga fungus, mga itim-itim. Pero this time, wow! Hala ka, grabe ang mangga ni Johannes this year. Okay, tignan natin kung ilang pounds siya. You think how many pounds?
2.
Oh, where is it? ML. Unit. Grams, pounds. 1.11.
1.5.
1.5.
All right.
1.5 pound.
Some of them get close to 3 when they're ripe.
Oh? Alam kong marami sa inyo ang nanghihingi sa akin ng mangga guys, pero explain ko lang sa inyo ha. Medyo linghod pa talaga yung mangga namin guys, hindi pa siya ready i-harvest. Ngayon, kung i-harvest natin siya ngayon, baka hindi siya mahinog, alanganin siya. Tapos, wala din kami dito kung during the harvest season. Kasi diba uwi kami ng Pilipinas for 6 to 7 weeks. And sabi ko kay Jan, pagdating natin dito sa July, 3rd week ng July, pagbalik natin galing bakasyon, okay pa ba ang mga mangga na ito? Or baka hindi kaya nakawin or hindi kaya mahuhulog lang sila if ever na may malalakas na hangin. So, nalilito talaga ako guys kung anong gagawin ko. Pero siguro, yung kapitbahay kasi namin na nandito si Ate Edith, sabi niya manghingi daw siya ng mangga. Siguro, pakiusapan ko na lang siya guys na pag pumunta siya dito, harvestin niya na lang lahat, no? Tapos, itago niya na lang lahat, no? And then, pagbalik namin ni John, saka pa kami magpa-shipping. So, ito na guys, paalis na kami. Papunta na kami sa aming kaibigan. Medyo malayo yung bahay nila from our house. Pero sabi ko, ay, excited talaga ako na matikman ang kanilang mangga guys. Kaya kahit na malayo, at sobrang init, tignan nyo na nga, nagkurismaot ng akong naong guys, kasi sobrang init talaga ang sasakyan. Alam niyo dito sa Florida guys, 9 a.m., 8 a.m. pa lang, pero 85 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit na talaga. Sa totoo lang guys, no, itong kausap ko ngayon is hindi pa kami nagkikita. Bali nag-message siya sa akin kanina, nanunood daw siya ng mga vlogs ko and then nakita daw niya sa isa sa mga videos ko na nag-harvest ako ng mangga. And then sabi niya kung gusto ko daw itry ang ibang variety ng mangga kasi meron daw siya. Nakalasa daw ang bayabas. Kaya na-curious ako. Ito pinapakita niya sa akin, sinend niya sa akin ang video. Alam niyo guys, nakikipagkita naman ako sa aking mga followers guys, no, sa aking mga subscribers. Kasi natutuwa ako ko kasi iba din talaga guys kapag magkaroon tayo ng maraming kaibigan dito sa Amerika. At ito pa, 'di ba? Bibigyan niya tayo ng mangga. At least 'di ba, makakatikim din tayo ng ibang variety ng mangga. So ayun na nga, tapos binigay ko sa kanya yung address ko kasi dapat ipapaship niya sa akin, 'di ba? And then pagtingin niya sa address ko, sabi niya, "Ay, malapit ka lang pala." So chinek ko din. Ay, nasa 40 minutes ata to 1 hour. Depende sa traffic 'yan, guys So sabi ko kay John, "Okay lang ba? Napunta tayo sa kanila." Go naman si John, kaya pumunta na kami kaagad. Sa dami ng mga puno ng mangga niya, itatanong ko din sa kanya guys kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya sa mangga. No, pinapamigay niya ba or binibenta niya ba? Kasi kung binibenta niya guys, no, baka pwede nating pakyawin. No? Tapos kung magkano yung benta niya, kung nyari, benta niya ng $2 or $3 each, tutubo tayo ng 50 cents. Kada piraso. 50 cents lang, Johannes. Oo, 50 cents lang. Hindi kasi guys, marami ang gusto talagang bumili sa mangga ko. No? And then sabi ko, hindi ko kayo ma-accommodate lahat, no? Willing talaga sila guys to pay for the mango, for the shipping and all. Kaso nga lang, nag-aagawan sila sa sobrang dami nila guys. Parang hindi ko na alam kung sino yung priority ko. Kasi yung bunga ng mangga namin this season, hindi talaga siya yung marami talaga like hundreds. Ito siya parang less than 100 lang ito. So kung sino lang yung mabigyan ko. Ngayon, itatanong natin sa aking new friend kung ibebenta ba niya ang mangga na ito. Kasi kung ibebenta niya, siguro magtubo lang tayo ng mga 50 cents, 'di ba? Para mabawi naman din, guys, ang ating panggas papunta sa kanila kasi malayo man sa kanila, guys, no? So more will be revealed.
Kung sabihin niya na $2 lang each, pwede natin siya iakyat ng $3
na kung
diba?
pwede maagahan
And then magbayad pa kayo ng shipping fee and all. Basta kami, magtubo lang kami ng $1. Kasi syempre, their house is 1 hour away from us.
Medyo busy din kami ni John at isa
That's
pa,
number one.
nahihiya din kasi
40
ang
minutes.
best na makipaghalubilo
And then,
sa ibang
our
mga
car
kababayang
is
Pinay,
small.
diba, dito
So,
sa
if ever in the
Amerika.
future,
No?
we're gonna
Especially
be
pag hindi ko
doing
pa nakakasalamuha
back and
masyado,
forth, back
guys.
and
Kaya
forth.
sabi ko,
So,
pwede bang mga 5 p.m. na lang
I
kami
don't know how
pupunta.
many boxes
Sabi niya,
can
okay
fit
lang
in
naman
this
daw.
car. Hi guys, time check, it's 4:46 p.m. and malapit na tayo sa bahay nila. Like how many minutes, dear?
3.
3 minutes. And we're far out west, you said? East.
Yeah, we're west.
We're far out west na guys. And I see these houses are big. And then they have like, it's a farmy place in here.
It's like going out to Loxahatchee.
Yeah. I'm very excited. Actually, guys, I haven't met her. She just messaged me today. And then, I think they were having a party in their house with the Filipinas. Ang ganda ng mga bahay nila dito, oh. Feeling ko
In a
mga...
quarter mile, turn left onto Northwest
Looks
75th
like
Way.
they're rich here, darling, no? It's a rich place. Sus, mayayaman pala ang mga tao dito, guys. Magkaka-anxiety na naman ako nito. Pagka nakakausap ako ng mga mayayaman, no? Or mga negosyante, nagkaka-anxiety
Turn
ako.
left
Parang
onto Northwest 75th Way.
nape-pressure ako, natitense ako, or hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko, nauutal. Ganun ang feeling ko. Ayan, so papasok na tayo dito sa kanilang bahay. Ay, gated pala. Are they gated?
In
Yeah.
half a mile, the destination is on your right.
Hala ka. Ang ganda. Ay, ayun, may mga nakikita na akong mga manggahan.
Nobody's alive down here. It's the dead end.
Hala ka.
They
Parang
see us
nahihiya.
coming.
Oh?
Put the big camera there.
Ow. Hala, kaganda ng kanilang place dito, guys. Rich place, darling, no? Hala! Ulaw, mapuntaan ni, uy. Maulaw ra ba yun ko, guys, uy. I feel so shy. Ay, ang daming mga fruits nga dito, dear. Oh, wow. Okay, looks like there's a lot of car. Maybe not yet. Let me just message her. Dito na kami, sis. Oh. Mag-message ako sa kanya. I think 1 minute na lang. Ay hala, nandito na kami.
The destination is on your right.
Hala, there's a lot of people.
Arrived.
So then, now where do I go without blocking everybody in, right?
Oo nga, no? Ay, meron silang mga longgan. I don't know if that's all, maybe Filipinas. Because she said that there's a lot of Filipinas in here.
Looks like they're still having a party.
Oo. Hala, nahiya pa naman ako.
Do you eat the mangoes? That's a big.
Not really.
Oh my god!
It leaves something in my mouth they don't like. It's like chalky.
Yeah, it's
Thank you.
vinegar mango something. It's like, tastes like chocolate.
Yeah.
Yes.
And even when they're ripe, I don't really eat them. It's like,
Some of them are like really yummy. Some
Sa akin, kumakain kami ng mangga kanina. Hindi kailangan nyo matikman tong manggang to.
Oh, kasi excited ako sa lasang guava, di ba? Oh.
Gusto mo ba magbalat na ako ngayon para you can try?
Oh, ay gusto ko. Oo.
Fresh daw.
Oh, fresh. Oh, pwede, pwede. Oo.
Tatlong variety yung mangga. Tatlo ba ako?
Ay, wow.
Variety ng mangga mo. Madami. 17. Iba-iba.
17?
Yeah.
Wow. Uy, hindi kami naka
Okay, I need to get your plastic.
hindi kami nakadisturbo ha sa ano.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Saan kayo?
Lake Worth.
Lake Worth, sabi ko sa'yo, Lake Worth.
Oo.
Yung bibili mo.
Gusto niyo ba ng avocado?
Ay, yeah.
Kasi meron kaming tatlong ano, pero mga August pa. Oo. Punta kayo sa bahay. Kayo na.
Plastic na yan. Plastic naman kami nandito. Gusto mo dalawang sumo. Dalawang harvest namin.
Pero malalapit lang yung bahay niyo dito?
For the springs lang.
Ah, mga ilang minute, mga 15? Ah, okay.
Pero ako, malapit sa'yo. Yes. 8 minutes away.
Oh,
this is what Kate's gonna do.
I like that.
Yeah.
Ah,
Kilala mo si Janet? Kilala mo si Janet?
Janet. Yes. May anak siya dito, di ba, na dalawa? Oh, pumunta dito. Ah,
Sabi ba nag-work siya sa nag-aalaga ng mga...
oo. Hmm.
Ready tayo. Ready.
Uy, sorry, naghintay kayo sa akin.
Gusto nila maganda.
Ay, wow. Ito na, dear. Beautiful place. Mm-mm. So, isa lang ang ano, isa ang namunga.
No, madami.
Ah,
So this one, yan.
Ay, ito pala, ang
Mahachano.
dami.
So that's the Thai mango.
mm-mm.
So this one is very sour.
Ah, this one is very sour. Ah.
If you wanna eat like green mango,
Uh-huh.
this one. But you can eat it like when it's ripe.
Oh,
How
okay.
is it when it's green?
It's very sour.
Very sour.
Yeah. Do you eat that or no? Like
No,
green?
it leaves like a chalky taste in my mouth.
No. I mean, you can pick now if you want.
Oh, yeah. Mm-mm. Ah, sige, dear.
How many?
It's up to you.
Maybe. Ah. Ayan. Oh, nag-harvest na siya. Ay, kayo din. Eh, gusto niyo ng sour? Ah, okay. Sour mango.
It's all the same tree.
Ayan. Yes. Maybe I'll try one, dear. Okay, dito tayo sa bahay ni Feby at mag-harvest na tayo ng kanyang. Ito, oh, lalaki. Ayan. Oh, wow. Ang lalaki. Ang lalaki ng mangga nila, dear, no? Okay. Maybe one. Only one. Oh. Oh. Wow. Ayan. So, isave natin kasi meron pa dito, guys, oh. Mga malalaki.
Now we're gonna have to separate them. How do we know the difference?
Ay, oo nga. Ano, they're not,
Oh, she has
they're the
different
same.
bags.
Yeah, different.
We'll never be. These look the same as those.
Yeah, that one and this one
The same.
the same.
The same.
Mahachano.
Okay.
Ayun.
This one is not ready yet. Like I think
Oh, yeah,
it's
yeah.
like orange sorbet.
Oh?
It's not ready yet. I think it's gonna be ready in August.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's about when my tree.
Yeah?
matures, yes.
So this one is very sweet.
Ay, hala, nag-harvest na
Thank you,
sila, dear. Take a video of them. They're already harvesting. Oo. Okay. Okay, guys, mag-harvest na tayo. Ay, yung iba parang pahinog na siya. Ito yung parang lasang guava.
No, this one is the sweet one. Look, it's like yellow inside. Actually, meron ako sa separate.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Sige, ito dalawa na lang.
Naka-ready
Thank
na
you.
siya
I
para
really appreciate
try mo
this.
na.
Thank you.
You're
Yes,
welcome.
you're very sweet. Thank you.
This one, the crunchy one.
This one is the crunchy one.
Yeah, this one. Ito yung pwede sa bagoong.
Kahit green.
Pero saan kayo sa atin?
Sorsogon.
Source dito.
yes.
Pwede na ba to?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the crunchy one, dear.
All right.
So she has like 17 trees. Wow. Thank you, Fedi. Oh. So,
That looks similar too.
dear,
a little less pink.
A total of 17.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have 17
Oh,
total.
ang dami dito.
Huh?
This one, dear.
Were any of them already here? You planted them all yourself.
Oh, we planted it.
This one's fresh off the tree. And this,
We missed that.
It's already ripe.
That's good. Instead of everything green.
they want to get the green.
Oh, you want the green one? Yeah. You want sour, di ba? Maasim.
Yeah.
Ito yung maasim.
Oh, okay.
So, this one, yeah, you can take this one. Pag gusto mo maasim, kainin mo na siya. Those are
Okay.
Mahat siya, no? Pero pwede siya mag-yellow.
Ito, pwede na ito mag-inom.
Mag-yellow, mag-inog siya.
Okay. Okay na We will try, dear. We will try one.
All right.
Thank you, dear.
With that fish sauce out of the jar.
Ay, yes. Bagoong.
Bagaon. Yeah.
Yes. Ayan. Ito sila. Nag-harvest din sila. Ay. Ito sila. So, every year. Dito pala kayo every year. Ay, bago lang.
Pero in-invite niya ako sa lahat ng mga party niya dito.
Ay, gusto ko.
Kasi wala akong kilala masyadong mga Pinoy.
Bago ka lang din?
Wait, 2 years na, pero single mom ako. So,
Okay. Mag 2 years na pala dito sa US.
hindi, sa Florida. It's 1 year and a half ako.
I see.
Saan ka sa
Sa amin din ha. Wala ba kaya ito?
Ako na ata man yun. Okay. Ay, ako sinagpa-party sa one time. Ako lang ng Manila. Then, ay, may bagoong din siya.
May bagoong din siya?
Kaya kumain ako kanina.
Ay, hindi ko pala natanong sa kanya here. I forgot to ask her what does she do with the mangoes.
Right.
Is she selling them? So, tatanungin natin siya. So, ano ginagawa mo pala sa mga mango? Binibenta mo?
No, pinamimigay sa kapitbahay. We give away the mangoes.
Oh.
Because I'm asking, because somebody's,
We give
somebody
away.
wants to buy like mangoes, and then I said, we don't have enough mango. And then maybe you want to sell your mango, or it's just giveaway. Maybe it's just
We give away. Like sometimes I ship the mangoes like to Pennsylvania to one of my friends.
Mga other
Right, right.
friends,
Yes.
in the other state.
Yeah.
That's what we do with our
very nice.
avocados.
Yeah. I love the avocado. We used to have the avocado here. We have the pumpkin kind of avocado.
Yeah.
It's huge. It's big. It's
Is
like
that
this.
our avocado?
No, at
Marcus
James's
pumpkin.
place, they had pumpkin avocado.
Oh, okay. We love
A
it.
friend of ours, he's like a farmer.
It's very good avocado.
Hmm.
We don't have it anymore.
Is that the one?
siya.
Maybe,
So, yung niya,
maybe you need
malapit
an
na sa
avocado
mga
tree here.
putol na lang.
Mag-crack, di ba, yung
Yeah.
ano niyo?
Pero bonsai sana yung avocado. Mahaba. Mas ganito kalaki. Nakaka-amaze.
Punta kayo sa bahay sa mga August.
Mag-harvest kami.
Oo, mag-harvest kayo.
Sama ko sila.
Oo, sama ko sila.
Oy, in-invite na tayo sa bahay nila sa August.
Tayo sa boy din ba?
Like work.
Muna tayo.
Magdadayo na tayo.
Like work.
Oh, you can have, this one is ready.
Ayun o, tinan mo ang ganda ng mga kulay ng mga nasa taas.
Oo nga.
Kapag red orange, pwede na siyang
Have you heard of a place called Truly Tropical in West Palm Beach?
No.
Mango shop?
There was one on Hypoluxo, but it looks like it's closed. Been there for decades.
This one's
Parang 10 minutes away
Right.
sa bahay.
Okay.
which she sent me your address earlier. We could drive over there and drop off some mangoes.
Right.
So look at they're only 10 minutes away from the Truly Tropical place. But there, it's we've been going there for years. It used to be $1, $2, $3 a pound for mango. That's for $3 a pound. And now, like even their worst varieties, $7, $8 a pound.
Well, that's the thing, because I was just reading in the comments for the place that's right close to our house. It's from 2025. They're charging $7 to $9 a mango. It's like, wow, that's gougy. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, so even the Truly Tropical place is same thing, $7 to $9 a mango. And put them online at random times where, let's say Monday, what would be less mangoes.
Kami ni Jan, na busy-busy. Ayun. Ay.
What is like the favorite dish that you call, like what cuisine, like Italian or?
I don't know. It's a whole mix, really.
Ay, ito na yung pin-repair mo sa akin.
Hindi, andito.
Aw,
Stir fry.
Uy, thank you, Feb, ha? I really appreciate it.
Spices.
Gusto ko talaga mag-share ng mangoes.
Really kicks up.
Kasi we love mangoes.
Mm-mm. Hala ka. O mag-ano tayo?
Saute mushrooms and
Yung challenge.
Ano yun na challenge?
Yung hindi mag-ano ba, yung mukha.
Yung mukha?
all across the board.
Actually, hindi sobrang maasim. Ito yung parang guava.
Aw, yan yung parang guava. Ah, okay, okay. Gusto ko yan i-try.
Yung maasim, yung isa sa...
Oo. Sa bahay ko na yun kakainin.
It's like peanut butter based.
Kaso palagi kang may party dito.
Hindi ngayon lang.
O pag may ano lang, pag may mga...
We have to cut open the one from history also so we could do a.
There's got to be another one.
We have to cut open his also so we could do a
Sinigang,
taste
yeah.
test comparison.
Ah,
Yung mangga mo daw, kailangan...
oo.
Pwede na ba yung kainin?
Pwede na yun. Basta gusto nyo lang ng hilaw.
Hilaw? Hilaw? Pero nahinog siya.
Hindi ko, actually, hindi ko alam kung pwede na yun siya, mahihinog na yun. Or sobrang ano pa niya.
So, huwag kita asin.
So last time I fried it in tallow, and it came out extremely good. You know tallow? It's beef fat. Yes, pure beef fat.
Pwede mo siyang ano eh. Gusto nila.
For frying, French fries, whatever, almost whatever. It has a little flavor to it. But it's really nice. It's crispy.
Lagyan ko ng asin ha.
Mm-mm.
Instead of ano yan, compare all the different varieties.
Oo.
Pinagmamalaki ko talaga.
Oo.
Nalatan ka pa nila.
So kain na tayo.
Yes.
Ah. Ah, wait.
Dito ka. Ay, or doon ka.
Dito na lang. Ah, dito na lang.
Tapos yung ako dito, kaya
Oo. Gusto nyo ba i-try yung sa akin?
Ha?
Or
Pwede na ba yun?
Wag na.
Kainin?
ito?
Gusto mo ba i-try yung mango niya?
Or Or hindi, wag na lang. Wag na lang. Kasi isa lang. Isa lang.
kasi kanina pa kami magganong. Kaya sa'yo na yan. Baka tubuhan ako. Kanina pa kami nagmamang. Baka mga sim na yung dyan.
Okay, try mo na. Let me know.
Which one?
You want to try the green one? You can try the green one. It's not. It's not.
Yeah, it tastes like a green mango.
Like a guava. Yeah. Ah, pero hindi kasi siya kumakain ng guava.
A green guava?
Yeah? Is it good?
It's good.
You can try the yellow one.
It's better than expected.
Ito, tingnan mo.
Yes, I like it.
Maupo ka.
Because the ones in my yard are.
Anong ginagawa?
Dito kasi lang nakikita.
O, ikaw na i-hire ko.
Ano That's the pizzeria. Oh, yeah. Should I cut the
I
other
think
one?
it's very it's very good. This
Very
one.
This one's very similar to the one we brought,
Ayan.
almost identical.
It's very sweet. It's our mango. Same like that.
Yes.
Like much, right?
Yeah, I just said.
It's one bag.
Well, whatever it is, I think it's all the same. No?
Are they the same that? I don't think so. Are they the same? This one?
No.
No, different variety. This one.
This one is the matcha, no?
Oh. Okay. Nagmukbang na naman. Uy, okay na kayo. Nagmukbang na kami. Okay, one for you here.
So just spoon a little bit out.
Ito sa gilid, yung first na, yung pag-harvest. Yeah, yung in-harvest si Bella, yung muna.
Yung hindi nila pinansin?
Ito, yung mga.
Kasi malaking daw.
Yeah. Mahaba, sa yung mahaba.
Yun na yung dinadma nila.
Napiperas ka. Nasabi ba yan?
Pag yung mahaba yung...
Mahal yung ganyan.
Sweeter. This one is sweeter.
They're both very good.
Maybe a little tart.
Lapit lang din.
No, it's really good.
It's really good. I like it. It's premium. It's also premium.
Premium, right?
It's premium.
Yeah, a real one. Yeah, the best mango ever. Babe, buksan mo yung balat niyo. Gusto niyo ba? Gusto mo maghati tayo kasi malupit. Hindi dapat i-compare niyo.
Sige, compare natin.
Sige, pwede. Oh. Kasi magdadala naman. Marami pa naman doon. They wanna compare the mango.
Magkaalaman tayo.
Pero sabi
I think it tastes the same. Oo, pwede na.
Ang laki na.
Excited.
Parang kasi laki yung mga
What is that?
Have you tried that?
What is it?
Our green mango.
This is the premium mango.
Yes,
This one really tastes like guava.
but I would say I don't like that one as much as this one. That one I think is going to leave the chalk in my mouth.
O, alam niyo na ha, mas masarap to sabi ni John. Kaysa sa mango namin.
Alin doon yung bilog?
Alin dyan? Kasi tatlo yan.
Hindi, itong parang guava.
Okay, yeah.
Ayun.
Yung tinignan mo.
Basta, ano yung tinitbag ko? Super na sila magalang sa utak ko.
Sobrang saya talaga namin today dahil hindi lang basta namitas ng mangga kundi nagkaroon din kami ng pagkakataon na magmukbang at tikman ang iba't ibang klase ng mangga. Grabe, hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganito karami ang variety ng mangga. Bawat isa ay may kanya-kanyang kakaibang lasa talaga siya, guys. May isang klase ng mangga na noong natikman ko, parang bayabas talaga ang lasa niya. Meron din namang halos parang peach at ang bango at ang sarap, guys. Grabe. At yung isa pa talagang naalala ko ang apple mango dahil kakaibang tamis at texture nito. Nakakatuwang isipin na nag-iisang prutas lang ang mangga pero napakarami palang klase at iba-iba ang kanyang lasa. Maraming salamat sa aming follower na kahit bagong kaibigan lang kami, guys, no, nagtiwala talaga sa amin at nag-imbita para maranasan ito. Hindi naman araw-araw nagkakaroon tayo ng ganitong pagkakataon, no? Kaya talagang na-appreciate talaga namin, guys, ang ganitong kabaitan na pinapakita sa amin. Siyempre, natikman din nila ang mangga namin, guys. At alam nyo naman, proud din kami sa mangga namin, no? Dahil kapag hinog na, sobrang tamis talaga. Kahit nga hilaw pa lang, may tamis na rin na itong taglay. Pero aaminin ko ha, pagdating sa hilaw na mangga, mas nagustuhan ko yung mangga ng bago naming kaibigan. Oh, mas crunchy kasi siya, mas firm ang texture at may kakaibang lasa talaga na nagustuhan ko. Hindi naman ito paligsahan kung sino ang mas masarap na mangga. Para sa akin, masaya lang na nakatikim kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mangga. Yun lang, nakakatuwa lang. Ours dear. And then she has a ripe mango.
This one is ready.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, pinapakita ko kayo ng tita ko ng mga kaibigan ko.
Oh.
Ayan.
Nag-Erica.
Thank you ha. Oh, Erica. Huy. Sorry, I forgot. Erica.
Cora.
Cora and Mia. Oh.
Erica, Cora, Mia.
Erica, Cora, Mia, Feby.
You're welcome. Come back here.
Thank you so much. See you again in July.
They're coming back here. They're gonna do cooking show. Chef John will cook.
July.
Kailangan naka-uniform siya.
Uy, thank you,
Oh,
ha.
you're welcome. Balik kayo dito para masaya.
Oo, sa July.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, your delivery's here.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ha.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Come back here, okay?
And
Great.
thank you for the mango.
Thank you.
Ay, sabihin mo pala sa kanila. Thank you. Oo. Oo. Thank you. Bye-bye. Lots of mango. It's it's like apple mango, no?
I don't remember.
Or peach mango. It's very sweet. That's the purpose. So it won't stain. Right? Wow. That was a good trip. Everybody was nice. I think every Filipina is different. Different group of friends now.
Right.
It's nice to meet other people too.
Sure. Yeah, it's
And then everybody is very friendly too.
no, it's hard to say if Kanos are this friendly, even if you're Kano too. I wonder what.
Ang ganda ng kanilang place talaga dito, guys, oh.
Napakamaaliwalas guys, maraming prutas, and then hindi dikit-dikit yung mga bahay nila dito. I mean, dikit-dikit naman, no? Pero siguro hindi mo mapapansin kasi sobrang malalaki yung mga bahay nila, parang mga mansion. Oo. Tapos parang well-maintained talaga yung kanilang grass, o dahil siguro may HOA sila dito, o 'di ba? O ganda talaga siya guys ng kanilang property nila dito. Haciendera pala si Madam Feby. Actually, nagplano kami dito guys na bumalik dito sa 3rd week ng July dahil mag-get together daw kami, magluluto si John dito sa kanya napakagandang kusina, and then yung ibang mga kababayan natin magdadala ng kare-kare, magdadala ng kaldereta kasi masasarap daw din sila magluto guys eh. Kaya na-excite ako, tapos may magluluto ng turon, tapos may magaling daw gawa ng mocktails, o 'di ba? Kumpleto talaga ang magkakaibigan na yun guys. Kaya na-happy naman ako, no. Siguro mayroon na ako ngayong 4 na grupo ng mga kaibigan na talagang tinitreasure ko talaga. Syempre sila Joy, iba yun ang mga kagrupo ko. Sila Joy, sila Flor, sila Mercy, sila Ate Lucy. Ibang grupo din yun sila. And then sa taga Melbourne, sila Jinky, sila Kibler. Naging Melbourne si Kibler. Sila Gina, o 'di ba, sila Mia, sila Ate Rose, o 'di ba? Ay, 3 pala. May 3 akong grupo ngayon dito sa Amerika. At natutuwa lang ako guys, no, na kinukonsider nila ako na maging kaibigan. Kasi sa sobrang busy ko talaga guys, is hindi ko naman talaga nasasamahan lahat. No, kaya nagsusorry lang din ako kasi madalas talaga guys is nahihindian ko yung mga imbitasyon, especially pag may mga birthday party, no, at saka mga get together. Hindi ako masyado talaga nakakasalamuha sa kanila guys kasi dahil nga sa busy ng trabaho ko at sa business ko. Kaya pag may mga ganito pagkakataon na, for example ngayon naghihintay pa ako sa mga bags at soaps ko, wala pang dumarating. Pag may mga ganitong imbitasyon, gora kaagad ako. Kasi pagdating ng panahon na maging busy na ako, hindi na ako makaka-join sa kanila, no? Pero pwede naman silang pumunta sa bahay. Actually guys, kung nanonood kayo ngayon, pwede naman kayong pumunta dito sa bahay. Di ba nga nakikita nyo naman na may mga pumupunta dito na mga kaibigan ko, humingi ng buko, humingi ng mangga, humihingi ng avocado, no? Welcome na welcome kayo dito sa bahay. No, basta kayo lang ang pumunta dito at maglalaro tayo dito sa bahay. Magdamagang laro, o 'di ba? So, 'yun lang naman guys. Basta ako talaga hindi nyo ako makita talaga madala sa mga party-party, sa mga Filipino event. Hindi talaga nyo ako makita.
Plentiful, but they're not ready yet. And I have a feeling that probably for me, because of our lack of rain, I mean, we have sprinklers, but
Kausap na naman ni Jan ngayon guys, ang isa sa mga best friend niya nung nagtrabaho pa siya 35 years ago. Iniimbitahan niya kami sa bahay niya dahil marami daw silang
if you
mangga.
want to wait a month, don't have the answer. Like I said, it's not an exact science.
Maybe we can
Every
go
mango tree is a
this
different
week.
breed. Every mango tree is a different breed, so they all ripen.
We can
at
go
the
this
same
week.
time, but anytime.
May isa na naman tayong guys, kaibigan ni Jan na nag-invite sa amin this week daw. Ala, ang dami niyang binigay pala, oh. Hi guys! Happy Sunday everyone! Currently, it's 8 a.m. na and si Jan ay nagsasunbathing lang doon sa labas. And ako naman, nakapagkape, actually 5 a.m. pa lang nagising na ako. Hi guys, good morning and happy Sunday everyone. I'm just putting away dishes. Last night's dinner was successful and we hope to invite more friends. I'm the one inviting but Jan is the one doing the show. Sasabihin na naman Jan will say, "Oh, you're always inviting your friends." Okay, so I'll just use this ladder because we are not gifted with height. And just be careful putting away things. These plates will only be used when we have visitors. I know that this is a very Filipino thing. The plates of our grandparents. That's always been hiding. Yeah, just like many Filipinos out there. They will only use the beautiful plate when there's a special visitor. Okay, just put it back here. Alright. Careful, careful. We don't have agenda today, guys. I think I'm gonna give you another tour in the garden because it's been a while. We have lots of fruits coming. I think we're gonna be harvesting our avocado soon, sooner or later. Maybe in July or August. I'm very excited. A lot of you guys are messaging me and you want some avocados or mangoes, but you know, I cannot give everybody your request. So I will just select, okay, who I will give some fruits. And I'm very sorry in advance to those people that I cannot share. Guys, hindi ko lahat mabibigyan ng avocado at mangga. So, pasensya na sa mga hindi mabibigyan. Huwag lang sanang magtampo at huwag sana akong i-unsubscribe. Ano? At dahil tapos na ang ating party, itatago na naman natin itong mga pang-party lang natin na mga... Hala, bakit tatlo na lang yung kutsilyo? Ito pala. Lumalabas lang itong ating mga mahaling kubyertos. Kapag ka meron tayong party, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 7. Kulang ng isa. Kulang na isang kutsara. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Kulang na isang tinidor. Sobra na isang kutsara. Yeah. More than 1. Less than 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
2, 4, 6, 7. Everything is 8 except this is 7 and this is 9.
That's very strange.
Uh-huh. Very strange. Kulang isa. So, i-arrange lang natin siya.
Really makes no sense.
Ganyan din ba kayo guys? Kapag ka may bisita lang, tsaka lumalabas ang inyong mga ganito.
How many knives are there?
8. 8, 8, 8,
If it's
7, 9. So it doesn't match.
a fork or something must have gotten thrown away.
And why is it 9? Everything is 8 except this is 9.
But I don't know for whatever reason.
Hi guys! Good morning and happy Sunday, or not Sunday. Yeah, it is Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. For today's video ay gagawa lang ako ng breakfast. And what am I gonna do? What am I gonna get here? I'm going to make guacamole. For breakfast, egg lang tayo. Super.
Well,
Bakal mo!
you can't just wait one little minute.
At dahil hindi naman namin mauubos ito guys sa isang kainan itong watermelon kasi sobrang laki nito, hindi ko alam ilang pounds ito. Kaya naman ikikip natin yung iba guys, ilalagay lang natin sa freezer.
Guys, pwede natin gawin shake ito guys. Oh, ayan ha. Finally, marami kasi ang mga nagme-message dear, a lot of comments saying, when are you gonna eat your watermelon? It's been sitting there in your counter forever. So ito na guys.
It's plastic.
Aha. It is a plastic watermelon. Hindi, siguro ang gagawin natin dito guys no is, yun nga, shake. And then yung iba dito, gagawa siguro ako ng ice candy. And then yung iba dito guys is, ano lang, pang merienda. Meron pang watermelon cake. Malay mo, may watermelon cake. Pagawain natin si Jan guys ng watermelon. Ayan na naman si Jan, sasabihin na naman niya. Bibigyan mo na naman ako ng trabaho. Hala, pitla na guys, oh. Nangahulog na guys, nangahulog na. Hala, bilib ako sa watermelon dito guys. Parang talaga siyang, plastic na matagal madaot. Parang may chemical na nilagay sila ba? Para matagal madaot siya guys. Unbelievable talaga. Sabi kasi ni Jan, baka hindi na yan makain kasi matagal na yan. Sabi ko, hindi, pwede pa yan.
Pero alam mo, siguro depende sa variety or siguro may nilagay sila dito guys na something talaga na chemical. Kasi bakit matagal siya nadaot? 'Di ba? So gawa tayo ng shake mamaya. Gamitin natin yung bago nating blender. Ayan oh. O 'di ba? Tapos lagyan natin ng gatas ito guys. For sure sasarap ito. Oh, ayan ha. Oh, nabasa ko kasi ang mga comment ninyo na Yohanes, sayang naman yung watermelon ninyo, hindi nyo. Anong ginawa niyo sa watermelon ninyo? Sayang yung pagbili ninyo tapos hindi. Ala, nasira yung ano. Nasira yung scooper, ice cream scooper. Ayan. Believe talaga ako. Siguro guys, wala pa naman sigurong 2 weeks ito, no? Pero matagal na talaga, siguro mga 10 days na. Panoorin niyo yung previous video ko na ganito, bumili kami ng watermelon. Yun yung pagbili namin. Yun din yung araw na yun kasi hindi ako nagle-late upload. Oh wow. Wowie. Wowie, wowie. Wowie. Hala! Guys, dahil sobrang lalaki ng mga watermelon dito sa Amerika, kaya hindi ko ito maubos guys sa isang kainan. So ang ginawa ko, ilalagay ko lang siya sa freezer, yung iba. At siguro gagawa ako ng shake mamaya. Gawa tayo ng shake or gawa tayo ng ice cream, ice candy. Ano ba ang pwede nating magawa dito? Ayan oh. Ay wow, bongga talaga. Ilang shake ang magagawa natin ito guys. Ang lalaki. Alam nyo ba, matagal ko na nabili ito guys. At matagal ko na siyang masira ang mga watermelon. Akala ni Jan sira na. Sabi niya, buksan mo na yan kasi parang sira na yan. Hindi, sobrang tamis pa rin talaga niya guys. Oh. Alright. Ito yung na-save natin. Oh, grabe. Sa isang watermelon lang ito guys, ha? Perfect with our new blender. We will try if it will crush that ice because before, it's like not good. So this time, we're gonna use the blender. Our new blender. This is the best blender, right? When you put it like that, guys, it's automatic. You don't have to twist. Okay, so for this one, since we have a lot of watermelon in here, we will try maybe...
It's just ice and watermelon?
Yeah, ice and watermelon and milk. It's gonna be good.
Not coconut milk?
Coconut milk? Are you sure?
Maybe you want sweetened condensed milk.
Condensed, yeah. Do we have? I think I already gave it away. The condensed milk.
Evaporated milk.
Pwede ba evaporated milk? Evaporated milk and then sugar. For the shake. Kasi alam ko condensed milk, you put condensed milk with that eh. Oh, we'll try evaporated na lang guys.
Evaporated milk.
Okay.
So we're not wasting our good milk.
So this is a good milk dear, evaporated. This is not a good. I didn't get the joke. So we're not wasting our good milk. So use the trash milk. Ikaw talaga! Mahina din ang kukuti guys pa. Okay, so
Watermelon first.
watermelon first. I think I'm gonna get a good amount. Good amount of watermelon. Kamayin ko na guys. More. You can try to.
Not willingly.
Ayaw talaga yan.
Another sugar drink.
That's good. And then ice, right? Or later.
Okay, let's see what this does.
Okay.
Yeah, it works better if you plug it in.
That was so quick than I expected.
it's not that noisy. You notice?
Less noisy.
Less noisy. Okay.
It's very loud on the pocketbook.
On the what?
Pocketbook.
Okay. Like that. It's very hot today. Like 100 degrees. I just came back from walking and I was like sweating. Oh wow. That's a wow. Not even 1 minute. And then the milk. Oh, it's gonna taste amazing. The sugar.
I don't know yet.
Ah, okay. Because maybe it's sweet already, no?
Could be. Need sugar.
Okay. Two or three.
3's good.
Okay.
The bag of ice. Maybe
The
you
bag.
want it more icy.
More icy. Yeah. Looks like it's gonna be broken, no? Oh wow. Oh my god, I can't wait. Try muna. I trust your ano dear. I trust your taste.
It's good.
Oh,
It's cold. It's not too sweet.
perfect. That's what I want to hear. Okay, let's do it. John will do the honor.
2 different glasses.
Okay. And then. Oh wow. Let's cheers.
Cheers.
Ay, you know what? What if we put strawberry in this?
You could.
That's gonna be amazing because we have strawberry. Okay, let's do it. For sure, it's gonna be good, darling. I knew it. I can feel it. Can I just put the whole thing here? Like that. Okay. So, tanggalan ko lang siya guys ng ano. Tanggalan lang natin. We'll just remove the top. And then we're gonna put it in the blender. Because we're not gonna finish, believe me, we're not gonna finish this. It will turn bad. Then we can't finish it. Alright! Strawberries in.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, you wanna taste test it or no?
No.
Okay.
Pour right in. It's pink like Pink Panther.
Ah? Cheerio? Cheerio? That's the shake.
That's the shape.
That's the shake. Wow.
The blender makes the difference.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All I can say is wow. And you know what? In the future, we can do avocado shake. Since we have avocado, we have lots of avocado shake, mango shake. Why didn't we think that before?
Because I don't eat that stuff, honey.
Yun lang. Hindi kasi kumakain talaga si John ito eh. This is out of John's list. Diet list. Because he doesn't like sweet, he doesn't like... Oh, tingnan mo. Kunti lang. But honestly, dear, do you like it? Honestly, do you like it or no?
Yeah, it's good.
It's I want an honest review, huh? Because I like it.
It's good. It's on the lighter side. 'Cause usually
It's not really that
if you
that sweet, the sweet.
if you put sweet and condensed milk in there, it would not be good for me because I don't like it.
Okay.
It's too much.
But this one is good for you. Evaporated.
Yeah, it's just evaporated milk.
Okay.
Reduced, I guess. Yeah.
Ang ayaw ni John is yung condensed.
They condense it. They put a lot of sugar in it. And cook
Yun
it
lang.
down.
I think that's how you make also, guys. What do you call that? Because some influencers, dear, they boil the condensed milk
And
and it
make
became
caramel.
caramel. I saw that in one video. I said, is that how you really make caramel?
It takes
They-
like 3 hours.
Yes, to boil in a low flame and then, so you will not be intoxicated with that 10 cans. You're boiling it.
Probably, yeah.
Kasi a lot of them, what they're doing, they're making caramel. They sold it.
Well-
They remove the cover. They make it a caramel. They place their own, like their business.
All the cans have a plastic lining.
Mm-hmm.
Coke cans.
Right, and when you boil them, parang mag-melt siya and then it will go in your body.
Because even like these lids,
This is really good.
we used to, not this size, the bigger size lids, the big number 10 can.
Mm-hmm.
We'd take the lids and put 3 or 4 of them on top of the burner
Okay.
to make the tomato sauce so you don't burn the tomato sauce.
Mm.
When you first start using them, they smell so toxic. You can smell the plastic burning. Really like PVC plastic.
Hala.
That's what it smells like.
Parang nawala ng saysay yung aking paglalakad, guys. Ang aking 30-minute walk. But it's okay. It's not really bad. Okay. Saing lang tayo saglit, guys. Hala, ang sarap ng shake natin. Since hindi ka umiinom si Jan ng shake, ayaw niya. Dahil sa diet niya. Liki-liki.
watermelon for lunch?
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
I don't
What's
eat
your problem?
I don't eat watermelon.
Okay. Ayaw mo, di ba?
Watermelon, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Watermelon?
You said no.
Ay.
That's good. After doing a joke, I actually eat it. It's not a joke, guys. I actually eat it. Okay. Because I did 30 minutes of walk earlier, so I think, what do you call that? I deserved it. Ang sarap ng rice na ito. From now on, ito na yung bibilhin ko na rice. Pero hindi ko to mauubos, guys, ha? Hindi ko mauubos yung rice na yan. Kasi gumawa kami ng content ni Jan, eh. Kailangan marami ang kanin. Pero who knows? Dahil sa sarap ng chicken wings niya, baka maubos ko din. But actually, guys, to tell you honestly, this is one of the best wings ever. I understand na maraming mga restaurant, mga 5-star restaurant na nag-o-offer din sila ng mga masasarap na wings. But this one is really different. Talagang panlaban mo din sa mga masasarap na chicken wings. Yesterday, Juliet visited here, John's longest best friend. She said that when she's at the restaurant, she doesn't order chicken wings because, chicken wings is like they have the same taste. It's not as good. It's not delicious. La la la. But when she tried John's chicken wings yesterday, he finished like 5 wings, and then John only made 12 pieces of wings. And then I ate, I think, 3. And then Bob ate 4, and then she ate 5. John ate 1. Usually they don't eat appetizer, but last night is different. They ate a lot of appetizer, which is very rewarding for John because he really likes to serve good food to the especially to the visitors. Huwag nyo na akong isama. Ako given na ako eh. Lahat naman sa akin masarap. Pero si John kasi is fulfilling, rewarding sa kanya pag sinasabihan siya na masarap ang kanyang pagkain. Mostly sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na pumupunta dito, they really like John's food. Off the chain. Tama ba ang English ko? Off the chain. Ridiculously good. Tama ba? As in. So, ayan, finally, ha. Ginawa ko ng shake. Yung watermelon. Hindi na sayang ang watermelon natin. Akala ko nga nasira na kasi ilang days na yun, di ba? Hindi pala. Currently it's 12 o'clock, guys, and it's very hot. Siguro 90 degrees ngayon, dear, no? Is it 90 degrees, dear? Looks like.
Oh, easily.
Sarap nitong cholula. My nieces and nephews, they love this cholula when they were kids. And then when they grow up, looks like they don't really like it anymore. Remember before,
Very well.
they want us to send them this. And now, looks like they don't like it anymore. But it's really good. I want to bring this with the luggage, but it's very heavy.
Mm-hmm.
It's good with balikbayan. For balikbayan bags. Grabe ang busog ko talaga. Sa lahat ng nakapanood ng vlog namin hanggang sa dulo, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko medyo mahaba ang vlog na ito ha, halos 1 oras talaga or mahigit 1 oras ata ito. Kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko ang bawat isa sa inyo na naglaan talaga ng oras para samahan kami sa buong video. Minsan pag tinitignan ko yung analytics namin guys, nagugulat talaga ako na mahigit 200 katao ang tinatapos talaga na pinapanood ang aming mahahabang vlog. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa namin para ma-deserve ang ganitong suporta. Pero isa lang ang masasabi ko, sobrang saya at sobrang grateful ng puso ko. Maraming salamat dahil kahit anong klase ng vlog ang ipinapakita namin, mapabuhay Amerika, negosyo, pagkain, pamamasyal, o simpleng kwentuhan lang, nandyan pa rin kayo. Hindi kayo namimili ng content at ramdam namin ang tunay ninyong suporta. At syempre, welcome din sa lahat ng bago naming subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala at sa pag-join ninyo sa aming munting online family. Sana ay mag-enjoy kayo sa mga susunod pa naming mga videos at sana ay makilala ninyo kami na mas mabuti sa pamamagitan ng aming mga vlog. Ilang araw na lang pala guys at makakauwi na kami ng Pilipinas at makakasama na namin ang aming pamilya. Sobrang excited talaga ako. Marami kaming gustong ibahagi sa inyo at sana samahan nyo pa rin kami sa journey namin na ito. Mula sa kaibuturan ng aming puso, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal at panonood sa aming mga videos. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang vlog namin na ito, huwag kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, pindutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng aming mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong panonood. Ingat po kayong lahat at magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod na vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!